In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Gmail to Bigin CRM. By the end, you'll have the Bigin add-on installed in Gmail so you can view and update CRM details right from your inbox, saving time and keeping your conversations and deals in sync. First, open Gmail in a desktop browser and sign into the Google account you use for work. It's important that you're in the correct inbox, especially if you juggle multiple Google profiles. If you're using a corporate account, make sure your admin allows you to install Google Workspace add-ons. With Gmail open, look at the vertical panel on the right side of your screen. You'll see icons for tools like Calendar, Keep, and Tasks. At the bottom of that panel, click the small plus icon. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is where you can safely add apps to Gmail. If you don't see the side panel, click the little arrow at the bottom right to expand it. If your organization has restricted Marketplace access, you may need to contact your admin before proceeding. In the Marketplace search bar, type Bigin CRM and press Enter. Look for the official Bigin listing from Zoho. Checking the publisher and reviews is a good way to make sure you're choosing the right add-on. Open the listing to review the overview and the permissions it needs, so it can show CRM info alongside your emails. Click Install, then Continue. Choose the Google account you're using in Gmail and allow the requested permissions. These typically enable the add-on to read relevant email metadata and display Bigin records contextually. Once the installation completes, return to Gmail. If you don't see Bigin immediately, refresh your browser tab. The Bigin icon will appear in the right side panel with your other tools. Click the Bigin icon to launch the add-on. You'll be prompted to sign in or log into your Bigin account. Follow the on-screen steps to authenticate, select the correct Bigin organization if you belong to more than one, and grant access so the add-on can pull in contacts, companies, and deals related to your emails. If you're new to Bigin, you can create an account during this step and then come back to connect. After you're signed in, open any email to see related Bigin details in the side panel. If something doesn't appear, refresh Gmail, confirm you're in the right Google account, and verify you're logged into the correct Bigin workspace. That's it. You've linked Gmail to Bigin CRM.